Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download the Hamster Kombat app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Play Store app on your mobile device and make sure your Google account is signed in. Now, all of the recommended apps will be displayed on your screen. Simply tap on the search bar at the top and search for Hamster Kombat. Once you do that, a bunch of apps will be displayed on your screen. Note that none of the apps on this screen are original, so in order to use the actual Hamster Kombat, you will need to install an app called Telegram. Simply search for it in the search bar and look for Telegram. Now download the app and make sure it is updated. Once done, open the app and sign into your account. After signing in, all of your recent chats will be displayed. Simply tap on the search icon at the top right corner and search for Hamster Kombat. Access the official app and then tap on the play button at the bottom left corner. Now wait for it to load and start playing it. So that's basically how you can download the Hamster Kombat app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.